Hey, I'm Phil Storey, founder at Glow, and today I'm going to introduce you to one of our new features, backups. This is probably one of the most requested features we've had since our launch, and I'm thrilled that we're able to bring it to you. So our backups feature has been built in such a way that it means that they run without loading up the server that your client's website runs on, and so that you can continue working Glow while the backups are being performed in the background. So that means no more failed backups due to plugin or server timeouts. So let's take a closer look at the feature. As you can see, I'm logged into my Glow account here, and I'm looking at a particular client area. And I'm just going to show you to start with how simple it is to set up the backups feature. So we start by just clicking this button in the middle of the screen, starts here. And Glow is just going to take you through this process. Takes probably no more than 30 seconds to a minute. I'm just going to set the time of the day that I'd like backups to run to begin with. And I'd like that to be quite late in the day. So I'm going to set that to 1:45 midnight. On the next step, I'm going to choose how often I want them to run. So I'm going to choose daily for that. Of course, we have other options available as well. And then finally, I'm going to choose the storage region that I would like the backups to be stored. So Glow stores all the backups on behalf of your client's websites. And in this particular case, my client is in the United States. So I'm going to choose USA for the storage location. And after I click Finish Setup, the backups feature looks like this. So as you can see, it's a really clean and simple user interface that allows you to kind of easily track the history of the backups that have been taken for each of your clients' websites. And it gives you the ability to do various things, right? So I could choose to download and then, if I need to, restore those files back to my client's server. Or I can delete backups as well. It's as simple as just ticking some checkboxes and then choosing the desired action afterwards. You can also see that if you're about to carry out a significant piece of work on your client's website, it's obviously a good idea to take a backup. And you can use the Backup Now button in the top right corner here to take an instant snapshot of the site as it is now before you start doing that work. So that concludes the update. I hope you really enjoy using the backups feature. And of course, if you've got any questions, just reach out for support at any time. If you're not a Glow customer yet and you're managing multiple WordPress sites for your clients, then contact our team and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks.